Hitching and unhitching. Put the caravan tow bar at the correct height. Drive slowly in reverse towards the caravan coupling. Use the reversing camera as an aid. Make sure that the coupling jaw of the caravan coupling is situated precisely over the tow car coupling ball before you use the bow idler gear to lower the tow bar to the point where the coupling latches in and the green pin of the hitching display is visible. Press the lever down to secure the coupling. You can check the stabilizer on the friction lining wear indicator. Connect the electric power to the tow car and hitch the contact braking cable, if available, into the provided eyelet. After that, completely crank up the bow idler gear and release the caravan's parking brake. Before starting, check to make sure the brake lights, direction indicators and lighting all work perfectly.